Right then, question 24, a little bit more confusing, I would say. So, let's have a look at this diagram, try and find where the clues are as to how you would even start this problem. We've got the area of a square, alright, that's the clue. The area of a square is 10 centimetres squared. This area here of this whole square is 10 centimetres squared. Alright? Okay, so it says show that x squared plus 6x equals 1. And you might be thinking, what does that have to do with the area of a square being 10 centimetres? Okay? Well, we've got to form an equation. Okay, you can see that this square hasn't got any sides, clearly labelled. It's not like it's, 5 times 5 or 4 times 4. You've got 3. You've got 3 and then an x. Alright, so 3 centimetres is that bit there. And then they've labelled this bit here with an x. This bit is also of the same because it's a square. 3 and then an x. So each side is actually 3 plus x centimetres long. 3 plus a bit more. 3 plus a bit more. So this side here is also 3 plus x. Okay? That's the side length. Okay. This is the bit they are trying to test you on. Okay? So we've got some algebra for our side lengths. We've got an expression for our side lengths. 3 plus x. How do you work out the area of a square? Well, that should be simple knowledge that we know. You just times these two lengths together. You do length times length, don't you? So we have to do 3 plus x times 3 plus x. And the trick is when you put them into brackets like that, because it's more than one thing, I've put 3 plus x, it's all of that, which is the side, times all of that on the top again, which is the side. That's the trick, because we should know anyway, how to do two brackets multiplied together. So if we're timesing, because it's the area, we're doing one side times itself, okay? That side times that side up here. 3 plus x times 3 plus x. You should have a method for this. So I'm just going to do the FOIL method, which is times the first two things together, which gives me 3 times 3 is 9. Then 3 times this x here, which gives me plus 3x. Then we do the x times everything in the second bracket. So x times 3 is 3x. And x times x is a plus x squared. That's the area of the square in like algebra and numbers mixed together, an expression for the area. And we said that this was equal to, or the area should be equal to, 10 centimetres squared. Alright, so that's the equation that we needed to form. And now all we've got to do is turn that thing into this thing here. Okay, so let's tidy this up. You should always write your x squared. Just write them in order. So you've got x squared. There's no other x squared, so just one x squared. Plus, we've got 3x and 3x. Well, that's 6x in total. It's starting to look like this now, isn't it? X squared, 1x squared, plus 6x's. Yeah, I've got that. Now I've got this 9. So I've got plus 9. I've just basically written it round the other way around, haven't I? A 9 there, and that equals 10 centimetres squared, that bit there. Alright, I've just tidied it up, made it look a bit neater. Now you can see, I've got the first two terms. I don't have a plus 9 here though, and I don't have a 10 here, I've just got a 1. So I'm actually going to take away the 9 from this side here, and if I do it to one side, I do it to the other. And that will give me x squared plus 6x on that side is equal to 10 take away 9, which is 1. And that is what they wanted you to get to, alright? And that's how you would get there. Quite complicated, really, for a foundation paper. It's kind of like the new stuff that's been pushed down, made it a bit more complicated putting it into a diagram as well. But hopefully you can see the steps and how you get through that question.